Welcome. In this video, we're going to explore the logic of symmetry in the market and what it reveals about the balance and imbalance between opposing forces, all through the lens of time. These angles create fascinating proportional relationships, almost like magic ratios, that shift between equilibrium and disequilibrium. Their behavior aligns fractally with Fibonacci values, which define the initial conditions of movement. By tracking both the decay and the growth phases, and by comparing the original ratio to its fractal transformation, we can uncover meaningful logic behind price behavior. This isn't a full technical analysis. It's a focused look at a single structural element within one specific time window. But even this small piece can provide surprising insight into how market structure evolves. In this MicroStrategy 15-minute chart, we're seeing a fascinating dynamic shift in market structure. The downtrend developed at an extremely steep angle of 58.2 degrees, a slope that reflects panic pressure, imbalance, and a level of selling force that simply cannot sustain itself over time. When a market collapses at a slope this aggressive, it usually signals the final stage of the move, a chaotic overshoot before equilibrium begins to rebuild. What follows that breakdown is the key. The trend flips into an upward slope of just 3.82 degrees. That subtle, gentle incline tells us the entire energy profile of the market has changed. Sellers exhausted themselves, and buyers don't even need to push hard. Price rises almost effortlessly. The ratio between the two slopes is about 15.23, which mirrors the same kind of compression and release behavior we see in fractal systems and even in Fibonacci structures, similar to the 0.382 correction level. So, this chart doesn't just show a trend reversal. It shows a collapse of selling pressure followed by the emergence of a stable, healthy bullish trend. A chaotic flush, transitioning into controlled, low-entropy recovery. And in most cases, that's the early signature of a developing upside expansion.